Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you a super easy way to create this viral trending cutout transition in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, place 2 clips on your timeline. And drag the second clip on top of the first. Now select the second clip, right-click, and choose New Fusion Clip. Press B on your keyboard to activate the blade tool. And make a cut right here. Then, press A to go back to the normal selection tool. Place your playhead on this part. And go to the Fusion page. Select the media in one node. Then add a polygon mask. In the inspector, turn on invert. Now simply draw a shape where you want the transition to show. Once done, turn off invert. Now, copy this polygon node. And paste it to duplicate the shape. Move the new shape. Using the center X and Y controls. Repeat this step. To create multiple cutout shapes. Now go back to the edit page. Go to Effects, search for Outer Stroke. And apply it to your clip. Now choose where you want the transition to start. Here's the trick. Match your first cut with the beat. Then go to the Fusion page. Now turn off all the shapes. Except the first one. Go back to the edit page. And select the second cut. Then go back to Fusion. Now turn off all the shapes. Except the first and second shapes. Keep repeating this process. Step by step. Until all the shapes appear. And your transition is complete. And that's it, your viral cutout transition is ready. Now if you want to take this even further. And give your footage a cinematic black and white look. Make sure to watch this video right here. In that video, I show you step by step how to convert your footage into clean, professional black and white. It's a simple trick that can completely change the look of your videos. Go check it out and take your editing to the next level. I'll see you there. Happy editing!